welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sound effects. The last time I did a sound effects video, it was when I was in my parents' room eating Takis and also drinking a smoothie. I actually like that. So this one I'm doing another one but with pizza and Cheetos, hot and normal. Yeah. So I'm going to shut up now and start doing it. This is so good. If you can smell this through the screen, it will actually make you smile. This pop reminds me when I did How to Sneak Candy in Class. When it was near the end, by accident I flipped it over the camera. Not eating that. This is so good. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to like and subscribe. And also click that notification bell for any notification. Also, I actually had to do this is my second sound effects video. And bye-bye.